I'm Jason Kim-Rastello. I am the VP of Operations for California Custom Fruits and Flavors. We truly are a custom manufacturer, and everything we do is unique for that specific application, for that one and only customer. So life before Deacom, it was hell. We had so many challenges, so many bottlenecks, so many constraints. Everything required a third-party programmer to program a solution for us. It was cumbersome, it was limited. Things like bills of lading were pre-printed the day before and lot numbers were handwritten. They then had to be back-flushed the day after. People would have to come in the morning, and if they didn't have a report, they didn't know what to do for the day. Now that we're in the 21st century with Deacom, we're able to do things like run MRP multiple times a day. We're able to do things like do cycle counting instead of physical inventories twice a year. I mean, we used to have $250,000 write-offs, but they were the result of just not having that lot traceability that is so important today. Now we're using real-time handheld scanners, scanning products as it's coming off of trucks into our facility and turning around and going into production and being used in actual batches. Could only dream of doing things like that before Deacom. So some additional things that before Deacom were really challenging for us. So we were formulating in Excel. We weren't formulating in an ERP system that allowed us to pull in raw materials. It just added complexity, added redundancy, added time that required people to do data entry after the fact. Whereas now our formulators are able to sign into Deacom and they're able to go. QA used to have to create COAs themselves. They had to create those COAs in Excel and print them out and sign them by hand. Now we have Deacom that generates them for us automatically. I mean, these are all examples of things we used to have to do manually that now are automatically done or driven by the system.